How to turn $17 into $950 coming up. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video we will be talking about turning $17 into almost $1,000, $950 to be specific. I'll show you the specific number that I came up with, and this whole video will be about flipping or online arbitrage. So essentially buying low and selling high, being the middleman, however you want to call it. I'll show you exactly how to do it. This is by far the easiest way to make money online and work from home, perfect for 2021 and 2022. So we will jump into it. Before we do, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And also check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to my review of a product that will allow you to do the flipping, which I will tell you all about in just a second. So let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video now. First of all, I want you to go to Upwork and just create a profile for yourself, because what you're going to be doing is freelancing without doing the actual work. So I want you to open an account on Upwork, because Upwork is the most expensive site when it comes to freelancing. Okay, so this is where you can get the most amount of money for your orders. Okay, so once you're going to open your account, set up your profile, and I just wanted to show you a few examples right here. Okay, so all of these freelancers are doing website design. Okay, so as you can see, this guy does website design, brand development, etc. for $85 per hour. Now check this out. These are his orders, and as you can see, he's making hundreds of dollars per order. So we have $850, we have $3,350, we have $655, $1,680, $240, $475, $3,400. So this guy is making thousands of dollars, and in fact he made over $60,000 in total earnings. Now this is just one example. I found another one. This guy made $100K plus, and same exact thing. We have $2,000, we have $1,000. So you can make thousands of dollars per order. And another one, this girl right here, Anna, we have $400, $649, $779, we have $100 for a smaller job. So this is why I want you to open an account on Upwork and get clients on Upwork, because you can make up to thousands of dollars. Now, once you're going to get an order for a website, you won't be creating any websites, you won't be doing any designs, you will hire a cheaper freelancer. Okay, so we can go to freelancer.com, and as you can see, for web design, for developers, and for WordPress, as you can see, we have people that charge significantly less. So this guy charges $4 per hour. Obviously, it will take you a few hours to create a website, but this guy charges $4 per hour. We have $30 per hour, $40 per hour, 30, 18, we have 30. So you can find someone that will do the same exact job, but for significantly less money. And this is where we come in. We get the job first, then we hire someone else to do it, and then we stay with the difference. So in most cases, it will be hundreds of dollars, and all you have to do is just tell the second freelancer what you want to do, and all this information you'll get from your client. So this is all you have to do is just find someone that is willing to do the work cheaper than what you are charging. Now you can also go to Fiverr. As you can see, we have a few gigs right here. I will create a WordPress website. This is $95 for a full website. Obviously you have different options, but for $95 you can create a website. We have another one, $125, and obviously the bigger the website is, the more money you will pay and the more money you can charge. So this 15 to 20 pages website is $495. The same exact website would probably cost $3,000 on Upwork. So this is the potential here. I found another gig. I will create a responsive WordPress website, $95. The premium is $350. Again, this kind of a website with 10 plus pages is thousands of dollars on Upwork. Now, obviously Fiverr is just another one of these websites. You have Freelancer, you have Fiverr. You can also go to Craigslist. Now on Craigslist, I actually found this gig right here for $200. They are creating a e-com WordPress site. So obviously they have different packages, but essentially they have $200, $300 or $400. So for $400 you're getting the all-inclusive, and obviously on Upwork we can flip this for thousands of dollars. So what I want you to do right now is just do your research. First of all, make sure to get clients on Upwork, but then find other freelancers on other freelancing websites that will do the work cheaper. Now, there's one more alternative that will actually turn $17 into $950, and it is installing the WordPress website yourself, and you can do it with a brand new product that just went live. The product is called Red Builder, and the cool thing is that for $17 you are getting a Red Builder with 10 licenses, which means that you can create 10 websites. Okay, so this is something totally done for you. All you have to do is just install a WordPress plugin on the website, and it will create the website. So you don't have to do anything else. Actually, if you want to see the full review of Red Builder, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to my review right here. I have a full review, I have a demo, I have a teaser, I have $10,000 in bonuses. So if you do want to pick it up, just make sure to use my link. Any one of these blue links is my link, but in a nutshell, how it works, again, it creates the website for you in literally 90 seconds. And all you have to do is just install it on your website or on the website of your clients. And again, for $17, you're getting 10 licenses, which means that if you're going to sell it, for example, even on Fiverr for $95, 10 times $95, that's $950. This is how I came up with this number. And this is how easy it is to make money this way. Again, this is all automated. You don't have to write a single word. You don't have to create any pages, any designs. All of this is done for you by Red Builder. So again, click on the first link in the description to check out the full review, see how it works, see the demo and everything else. I do have a $10,000 bonus to it if you will decide to pick it up through my link, and I think this is an amazing way, because you can actually do the work yourself without hiring someone else and paying them $100, $200, $300. You can do the work yourself, and actually the first upsell to Red Builder will give you unlimited websites, which means that you can create unlimited websites and just keep on making money this way. So again, check out the full review. I really like Red Builder, and if you are going to do simple flipping, just hire someone, for example, on Freelancer, and then flip their service on Upwork, you can still make tons of money this way, hundreds if not thousands of dollars every single time. So guys, that's the video I have for you today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. Again, if you want to pick up Red Builder, click on the first link in the description, or the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page. If you have questions, leave me a comment, and hopefully I will see you inside the Red Builder members area and inside my $10,000 bonus, and I will see you in the next video as well. Ciao.